Hi, I'm Siddharth Kannan and I'm not hosting a TV show or radio show at this juncture. I am at Dr. Viral Desai's clinic for my DHI. It's been a long journey. The first time when I started losing hair, my folks are based in Bangalore and they told me there's this doctor here who's going to do the strip surgery, and I went there and he promised me 3,000 strands of hair, but nothing happened and I got like 750,000 strands of hair. And after that, it was excruciating pain, like during the surgery. After the surgery, I couldn't sleep, I was tossing, turning, my head became like a football, and I just realized that I don't want to do this again. And then a friend of mine who was in the television business recommended Dr. Viral Desai and DHI's procedure, and I was like, no man, I don't want to go, because after my first experience I was traumatized. But then he said, just go and meet him, and Viral promised me something like, you know what, Siddharth, it's not going to hurt you, it's going to be painless. For a second I didn't believe him, but then I said, chalo, I need to do this for my own self. I went for my first procedure with him, and honestly I was watching television, I was playing video games on my phone, I was reading books, I was cracking jokes with the doctors. And would you believe, when the procedure got over, I went home and I was playing with my niece. I was back to work in less than 2 days flat. That was the biggest USP of DHI. No pain, seamless, casual, very easy for the doctors and for the patients as well. That's when I realized that this is the procedure for the present and the future as well. And most importantly, I'm not trying to hard sell Dr. Viral Desai, but I realized he and his team were more like family members. Even before the procedure, they called me up, gave me certain inputs, the do's and don'ts. So when I was entering his operation theatre, I was feeling confident, because I was like, my family members, Dr. Viral Desai and his team, are taking care of me. That is very important when you go in for a procedure, when you feel safe in the hands of the doctors. After that first procedure that I had with Dr. Viral and his team, I got decent and good amount of density. But then obviously human nature, tendencies, you want more, like it's with money. You earn something, you say, I want more. So I have come back for my second sitting, and I'm dead sure and very confident that I'm going to get more strands of hair. Please remember, do not go for other procedures where people say it's 1/10 the price. Go to the original, go to the best. It's your body, it's your hair, and while you're going through this whole procedure of getting your hair back, enjoy it. Don't be traumatized, don't go through pain, and that only happens through DHI. And I have to say this, I want to thank Dr. Viral Desai and his team of doctors and DHI, because all my 40-50 friends from the television business, radio business, my family members who came to him, they actually called me up and said, thanks Siddharth for recommending Dr. Viral Desai and DHI. And yes, all of them are very happy. So like my friends, I believe you people watching me are my friends too. Take care of yourself, value your life, value your hair, and come to the right people who genuinely care for you and will show you the right path of gaining back your original hair. Thank you. After I did my strip surgery, I also noticed my hair was going all over, man. It didn't seem natural. I actually had people coming on and saying, yeah, personality अच्छी है, जोरदार है, पर ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ी लग रहा है. And I noticed that in a lot of friends. Like suddenly I would go to a party and I'd meet a friend of mine who suddenly his hair is going all different directions, and I was like, you've done the strip surgery? Like, he said, how do you know? I said, listen, sometimes your hair does the talking. And this time it was miscommunication, because the hair was giving all the wrong signals. With DHI, your depth, direction, angle is perfect. Remember that. And that happens because your hair looks very natural. So what's the point of doing surgeries when everyone around you knows that you've done a surgery? The art of doing a surgery is when everyone doesn't even realize that. And also sometimes people take the shortcut route of patches, wigs. In the long run, it makes you sweat, it becomes irritable, it hurts your scalp, causes diseases in your scalp. Some people who used to say, don't do surgeries, we are wearing patches, they themselves have come back to DHI, because in the long run, there's nothing like natural hair.